Are you copying trades across multiple funded accounts using TradingView or Tradovate? So Replikanto Trade Copier just released a new update, and it's specifically for copy trading from TradingView. In this video, I'm breaking down everything you need to know about the new Trade Copier update for NinjaTrader and TradingView, how it works, why it's crucial, and how it can save you time managing NinjaTrader self-funded, Rithmic, and Tradovate accounts. Stick around to find out how to get ahead with this new update. Replikanto usually sends out an email with a list of improvements, but if you're like most people, it's easy to miss it with hundreds of emails coming in daily. However, this is one email you don't want to miss. Why? Because you'll want to take advantage of their new TradingView Trade Copier update as soon as possible. Here's the email with all the improvement notes. Let's read through it together. To summarize it, the new version fixes a key issue when using TradingView with Tradovate accounts. If you've had your exit orders rejected due to an OCOID error after your entry orders filled, this update solves that problem. If you use TradingView to submit trades as your leader account and copying to multiple other Tradovate and Rithmic accounts, make sure to update your Replikanto software right away. Updating Replikanto is super easy, and you don't even need to uninstall the previous version. Just head over to the Replikanto website, go to the Downloads page, and grab the latest version. Save and download the zip file, but don't open it yet. Now, in the NinjaTrader Control Center, select the Tools drop-down, click on Import, and then choose Import NinjaScript add-on. Find the zip file you just saved, select it, and follow the prompts to confirm. Make sure to click Yes to override the previous version. Once you're done, you'll see a confirmation message that says it was successfully updated and that you need to restart NinjaTrader. After restarting NinjaTrader, check that the update was successful by confirming the version number in the Replikanto window matches the latest release. If you try to import the file and get an error message saying there are compile errors, don't worry. Just send an email to support@ninjamobiletrader.com and we'll help fix all the errors and get Replikanto updated for you in no time. If you've made it this far in the video because you're curious about copy trading from TradingView to multiple Tradovate and Rithmic prop firm accounts, let us know. We can help with your trade copying setup. There's also a link in the description with a coupon for a Replikanto discount. With our trading servers, you can use TradingView from anywhere, whether it's your Mac, work computer, web browser, or even iPhone, Android, or tablet apps. Place your trade and have it copied across all your accounts, helping you get funded and secure payouts from multiple prop firms. The best part? By running the trade copying with Ninja Mobile Trader VPS, you'll get the fastest order fills with the least amount of slippage, and that's why everyone needs this setup. Please take a moment to like and subscribe to our channel for more guides on TradingView, NinjaTrader, Tradovate, and Rithmic trade copying. Thanks for watching and happy trading.